grams. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is dissolved in sufficient water to prepare 2.75 liter solution, meaning the volume is equal to 2.75 liters. Is that clear?
Yes.
I'm looking for the molarity. Remember, I've told you that C is equal to N over V. Is that clear?
Uh-huh.
So convert this mass to mole. So N is equal to, is it not mass over molar mass,
Uh-huh.
which is equal to, the mass is 145, right?
Yes.
Divided by, what is the molar mass?
Um, 100 at the 1459.
The, no, sodium chloride. The molar mass of sodium chloride.
I don't I didn't play. 58.443.
Yes, 58.443. So able to divide and tell me what you got.
Okay. Can you hold on? Okay.